So this is how much snow we have so far. Right now it is 11 o'clock. It's coming into the house.
It's really cold. Oh my god.
We have a lot of snow here. This is really kind of funny. Anyway, yeah, and this is not flush with the ground. There's probably about 6 inches down, maybe even a little more than that, to step down onto the pavement outside on the patio. So this is a lot of snow, and it's still snowing like a lot.
I'm cold.
And it's windy.
Hold on, show outside.
I did show outside.
Like way outside. Like out. Wow, look at all the snow.
Yeah, that's a lot. Okay, that's nice.
Bye.